Hi guys, welcome back to the Island family.
Welcome guys.
This is your girl Maria.
And the island boy Afrik I.
And little Island Bobo.
Yes, today.
So guys, today we're just gonna, I just finished work this morning. So decided it's a beautiful sunny day to go out to a waterfall out near Nimbin. So we're gonna go out to Nimbin first and have a look around there. Baby, let it go. Oh my God. Anyways, and we're just gonna go and take you guys along with us. So this waterfall is called Nightcap Falls. I'm hoping that it's open and that, you know, we can get through.
Yeah.
So join us guys, it's gonna be a vibe. Blessings.
Yeah man. Stay tuned.
Stay tuned.
We on a roll now. Let's go
now.
Hello, good morning, where do you came from? Perfect stranger I've been waiting on. Right place at the right time. Nobody can tell me you ain't mine. Yeah. To be honest, I've never been this bold. Your personality, it warms my soul. All they ever do is lie to you, baby. Tell them other niggas bye-bye. Yeah. Come over here, so I know you love my accent.
So guys, little island here is ready for the road trip. This boy always wants to go on the road. You gotta get fussy if we're not leaving. Well, but we're going now. Come on, we're going now. Let's go. Brum brum, brum brum. Guys, we're in Kyogle. Yeah, guys. Right, mate. So gnarly. Far out.
Everybody's going out now because lockdown has officially just opened.
Yeah.
So the actual shopping centres and everything would be so packed full of people.
Can you imagine?
But we're not going there because we're still going to avoid coronavirus.
Yeah, and guys, I even need a shave. Like I've been in quarantine, I haven't shaved until now. So yeah, gonna get that done soon. Babe was asking me if I wanted to get it done today, but she told me that it was quite busy. So I said, you know what, maybe I'll go another day. Yeah, and this is like also you guys seen the footage of me getting the vaccine, and this is like 2 days later.
You never told them what you felt.
Yeah, this is why I'm gonna say it now.
Oh, right.
Yeah, so guys, I had side effects for sure. I had like slight headache and some really like cold temperature. Yeah, it was crazy. But that was basically it. Even though I did felt a bit weak, but it didn't last that long. It lasted like for a day. Yeah, and that was it. You know, so I'm feeling much better, feeling great right now. So yeah, and yeah, so just waiting for my. Huh?
What did you get?
What did I get?
Yeah, the Pfizer, AstraZeneca.
I think it's AstraZeneca.
Yeah.
AstraZeneca. So yeah, that was it, guys. So I'm just. How long do I have to wait for the second shot? Is it 6 weeks?
12 weeks.
12 weeks. Okay, yeah. So.
But you can get it in 4 weeks, and then you'll get your booster later, apparently.
Oh.
So, yeah.
I don't care. I just want to get it. I mean, I'll wait until the 12th week. Yeah. So yeah, that's what's up. Getting it over with, you know.
So basically, pretty much, if you want freedom, you'll have to get vaccinated.
Yeah.
That's everybody.
Yeah, because it's.
If you want to be able to travel the world and do things like even go to the shops, you have to get vaccinated, which sucks.
Yeah.
Don't get us wrong, we're against it, just as like everyone else that might be, but we just have to do it for the sake of our son, our family, and
and we see the reality of COVID, so we're not gonna ignore that, you know.
Yeah,
so we just have to do the right thing.
that's right.
Yeah.
All the shops are open here in Kyogle.
So this is another small town.
Yeah.
People out and about. guys. Hope you guys are enjoying, you know, just
Chilling with us.
just like how we're experiencing it.
Wow, everyone's going to the pub.
You guys are experiencing it at the same time as well. Because trust me guys, even when I do these videos, I even watch them over. That's just me. Like all of these videos that I've been doing, I myself watch them over. So I enjoy doing that. I even be watching my own videos and be laughing sometimes. Like it's crazy. Yeah, so it's entertaining to me, just as you guys enjoy our story, our journey, or you know, everything. We enjoy just the same.
I feel this on this side is a milk factory.
Okay, timber mill.
Maybe it sounds like a milk factory.
I'm not too sure what it is.
Yeah, I think it is. I think it, I don't know. Whatever it is, it's a factory of some sort.
Roads are so windy, guys. Look at this. This is what you call a real country road. Remind me of going through the junction in Jamaica.
True.
But even though it's country road, I'm not gonna lie, the roads are much better though. Like, it's not bad to be honest. It's more narrow, but it's still good. This corner is deep. Jesus.
There, that one.
Oh, the bird. Yeah, that sounds.
And then they sing like a tune. They go. And
Okay.
It's so cute. I love it. Anyways,
Nice.
don't mind me, guys.
Alright guys, so we just stopped off here in Nimbin. You know, just to go do a little walk around and thing like that.
And buy our tea. Well,
Yeah.
my tea.
Yeah. So when I saw this tree, and baby saying it's possibly not coffee, but this looks exactly like coffee to me.
I'm not sure. You have to ask somebody that.
Yeah, I think it's coffee. Yeah, I'm like 99% sure.
Is it coffee bean? Oh, it is, babe.
Yeah, because it looked like coffee for real.
Go.
Yeah.
Cool.
Alright, so
Yeah, it's coffee tree. I didn't know.
yeah. So just gonna walk around.
You just smelt it, didn't
Yeah, he just picked it.
Yeah, because I remember seeing it from videos before.
you? About what the coffee bean looks like.
Yeah, yeah.
Oh, good.
Don't you have that in
call.
Jamaica?
Yeah, we have it here in Jamaica. I mean,
Here
in
in
Jamaica. What am I saying?
If
I mean,
only, hey, man.
yeah. Have it in Jamaica.
Yeah. Oh, cool.
That's how
Yeah.
it knows. All right.
Yeah.
Because I didn't know.
Yeah.
So you can eat it. Can you eat it?
Yeah, the
raw,
fruit.
right?
The fruit you can eat the fruit.
You can eat the fruit.
My dad's
When
a
it's
coffee
ripe.
addict, so I'm going to send him a picture.
Oh wow. And I didn't know that. Okay.
Yeah.
Interesting.
Wow. Are they originally from kind of like Caribbean? I
Uh,
suppose it just grows.
I think it's
Actually, I was
everywhere, but
watching something the other day.
yeah,
It's Middle East.
the Blue Mountain coffee is very famous though from Jamaica.
Yeah.
Yeah.
No.
Yeah, like people. Yeah, it's a big.
Yeah, it's a big thing.
Yeah,
Isn't it?
yeah. People buy it all over. Yeah.
Wow. It's good to know you can grow coffee out.
Yeah,
I know,
that's
that's what I was thinking. I didn't
that's
know
Is there a way
you
of
could
picking
grow it
one
out
and
here.
like putting it in your garden?
Yeah, well, he says you can eat the ripe ones. What are the ripe
Yeah.
ones, babe?
I think you can. Like the skin of it, you can eat it. I've seen people eat it before. That's why I was saying to taste it because it's very sweet.
You taste it. I'm not.
Yeah, it's very sweet. I tasted it already. It's very sweet.
For real, for real.
Yeah.
Oh gosh.
Yes.
Might just get the berry. I'll let you take yours first.
Yeah, it's good. It's just a video.
Yeah.
Oh, is it? Okay.
Yeah, yeah.
I'm gonna
Yeah.
take some of the actual berries.
Alright. Yeah. Alright.
Take care.
Yeah,
Alright.
thanks for that info.
Alright, no problem. Yeah, so it's Nimbin. Okay.
Oh, you can take a thing of that.
Your guide to the rainforest way. Okay. So out here is more tropical, you say, right?
Yeah, you can feel it.
Yeah, yeah.
Can you feel it a little
Yeah,
bit?
yeah, I can feel that. Yeah, so what you say this place is known for, babe? Nimbin. Weed.
Marijuana,
Uh-huh.
ganja, Mary Jane.
Okay, alright.
Yeah, they have a big festival here every year.
Okay,
Yep.
interesting.
It's the they pass a big plastic joint around.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is what Nimbin's about. So it's sort of like a Jamaica in Australia.
Yeah, yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
Nice, guys.
And they sell like hemp clothing and stuff.
Cool.
You know what hemp clothing is?
Yeah, made out of
Yeah.
weed.
Yeah.
Kind of.
Yeah,
I
it
guess.
is, it is.
Yeah, I think so. Yeah.
It is, guys.
Alright.
Yeah.
Don't want to point the camera in anybody's face, so I'll just keep it on myself for now.
Yeah, that's a good
Yeah.
idea. Because I don't know what people's reaction.
Yeah.
Oh my god, look at those slippers, babe.
Where?
The slippers there.
Oh, these. These are so cool. Look at these guys.
Fish
See.
slippers.
Yeah.
And these are those jumpers that you saw on camera before.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
I love the colors though. I like colorful clothing.
Of course.
Yeah.
Yeah, you would.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Now look at that, guys. That's legendary Bob Marley.
Yep.
Yeah, so
And that one
you can see and feel the spirit here, you know?
is a vibe.
Yeah. All
This
the
one.
yeah, Bob Marley shirt and thing.
It's a
Yeah,
vibe.
man.
Yeah, guys, welcome to Nimbin.
Beautiful.
It's gnarly.
Gnarly, man. Yeah, guys. Out here.
And properties and stuff people sell.
Okay.
You want to go in here for a minute?
That's like an antique bike, isn't it?
Yeah.
Wow. Probably I should stop filming now.
No, you're right. You just don't film people's faces.
Okay. In here smell like weed. Oh my god, guys.
Anything at the back.
In here smell like weed, guys. Wow, look at the Bob Marley.
Peter Tosh? That's Peter Tosh.
Yeah, that's Peter Tosh. Marley. He's everywhere in it.
He's
Yeah.
he's very well known here.
Jesus. The hearts here are beautiful, guys. And that's like the Indian.
Yeah.
This bike though, Jesus. Look at this, guys.
Antique.
Noise.
Take video of you. That can be your thumbnail.
Yeah.
Or even stand here. This is the carving of the weed plant.
Where? Oh,
one here.
this.
Yeah.
I didn't even realize it.
Seriously?
Yeah, look at the carving, guys. Like this whole shape. It's beautiful.
Amazing.
Yeah,
The gallery.
it's
I don't know what
nice.
the gallery
Yep.
Wait, at the same spot.
is. Yeah, yeah.
You won't be long.
Yeah, no, I'll go around this way.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Rust. Even like.
Oh, sorry.
No problem. Even have like the Rasta color hats and stuff.
Like that. Like
Hey guys, you can see.
That could be an explosion, actually.
no, we haven't heard.
Yeah.
Bombay.
Yeah.
Everybody's stuff.
Nice. So you can really see and feel it, the Rastafarian culture and the presence, you know, it's just,
For
it's
real.
alive here.
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah.
Well and truly. Oh, the gallery. I think this is what she's talking about.
Okay.
Oh wow, look at the art.
This is scary though. That looks scary to me.
For real.
Yeah.
Wow.
Did they put the mask there?
Yeah.
Oh wow. Her painting look really scary, babe.
Something like delicious.
Yeah, her painting are really scary. I'm not into those kind of stuff. Love and light, you know. That's my vibe.
Yeah.
Oh, that's a Rastafarian guy.
Yeah.
The
You
Rasta-
notice this, I don't know if the Jamaicans or Africans, but there are some people that are that do live around here. Yeah.
Ah, cool.
They are aware, or intuitively aware of something, and then they've like what she's saying, assigned a belief system to it.
Look at the
Normal.
bananas.
Where? Oh, the banana looks skinny. Banana trees.
There's no banana on it though.
Yeah, they look home. What can I say? Those banana look droopy.
Doesn't that kind of like remind you of some place in Jamaica?
Yeah. Like you guys probably can't see it very well, but that just look like Jamaica right there in a sense.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, there used to be a museum that used to come out this way.
Yeah.
Like a museum but it burned down.
Yeah.
It got burned down.
Oh, that's another Rasta guy.
Yeah.
Guys, there's heaps of like dreadlocks people here.
Yeah.
And they're they're Australian, obviously. So that's really beautiful to see. Yeah, I love some of these stuff though. Very nice.
I want to go down to. We'll go down there.
Yeah.
Yeah, we'll go to the head shop first.
Okay. Little Bobo here, he's being quiet, not saying much. Yeah.
He's chilling like a villain.
Yeah. So what's up? Like a little bakery pastry shop.
Yeah, they do like lunch and stuff here as well.
Okay.
Yeah.
This is probably gonna have to be like a to be continued video because we're giving you like a tour of Nimbin, and I guess you guys would love this video right now. So have to be like a to be continued to the waterfalls.
Yeah.
Yeah.
For sure.
Alright, so
That's the shirt I was telling you about before.
this one?
Yeah.
Ah, the lion. Nice.
Hey. Good, thank you.
Good to be out, eh?
Oh, tell me about it. About time. It's
Yeah.
been too long.
Alright guys.
Something for me, love?
Yes, I have. I just logged in. Thank you.
Yeah. So guys, I finally found the gloves I've been looking for. I've been dying to get.
I'd rather get the black ones, maybe.
The black one?
So $20. You got money.
Okay.
Daddy's got money, see?
Yeah. So you say should get the black one instead?
Whichever ones you want, babe. Black's probably better.
Okay. Alright guys, I've been dying for gloves because it's been really cold here and my hand's been feeling the cold. Like everywhere else been cloaked up, but my hand's been needing it. Hello. Nice.
Nice.
Yeah. Swagging.
Nice hats.
Yeah. There's some nice stuff here. Are those stuff for Halloween coming up?
I'm not sure. Yeah, for like dress up parties and masquerades and all that kind of shag. Try these on though. When I come here, I always have to try these on.
Seriously?
Yeah, here. Let me vlog you. I'm gonna vlog him, guys.
It's on you.
Yeah, I know.
Okay. Whoa! What the hell? That's crazy.
What do you reckon? Suits him, doesn't it, guys?
Oh,
yeah, suave.
Can anyone even walk in this thing
No,
with this on?
I don't even know.
Whoa.
It's more like people wear it for parties and things.
Okay.
Interesting, isn't it?
Yeah.
Can
The
you-
colors, the glassy kind of diamond shapes, and yeah, it's crazy.
For his first time, why not?
Yeah, that's amazing. Colorful. Alright guys, so in this place called Afrik I Herbs,
Yeah.
they have all kind of different herbs and stuff here. Like a little drum.
So like just different herbs for different things. Like if you like read them, you'll get like an understanding of what each herb is. Hi guys, so this is what I like to drink with my family. We drink it as a social thing. It's a herbal tea that we drink with family. So yeah, it's got some good benefits to it as well.
Yeah.
Don't ask me now what they're good for, but it's good.
I always see babe drinking it, so yeah. We're gonna try it as well.
Yeah.
You guys have all your Riesler. Like that. Nimbin herbs. Island. Island boy. What kind of face is that? Hey boy. Hey. What's up? Huh? Let's go. Let's go. This way. This way. No, no. Not over here. Yeah, step up back. Just picking up a few little things to bring with us. Yeah. Yeah, I know I love my apple.
I'll get 2 of them.
Yeah. Nice, I have all this sweet potato. And this is the pear they have here, guys. Really dark and they're small. They have garlic, onion, some Irish. Yeah. Look at the pumpkin. Yeah. Nice pumpkin. And I guess this is a pumpkin as well.
Yes. Different types of species,
Yeah.
I guess.
Nice.
Natural coconut water.
Good, Bobo? Okay, sir.
They don't have like...
Yes, sir. Brum brum.
Let's go.
Lego. There we go.
Why are they sell them ones? Remember them ones in Jamaica, I think?
Oh,
Were they similar?
yeah, they look
The
pretty
package is
similar.
similar.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay. Might just take one.
Alright. Guys, tell me if I'm wrong, but this, I believe this is called a tree of life in Jamaica. It looks familiar to a tree we call the tree of life. I don't know if I'm wrong, guys, but it looks exactly the same. Just want to show you this mango tree. It's fully loaded with blossom right now. You see it, so I guess it's mango season in Australia. You see it, guys, everywhere we go we see mango tree full of blossom. So now we're on our way to the falls. Yeah, still have some journey to go, so but we're really loving the view. Everything is amazing, you know. The drive, narrow roads, windy roads, beautiful nature, nice weather.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm loving it. Love the scenery. We're out in the countryside. Look at that view, man.
That view can't really tell by camera, but by being here is just enough.
For real.
Everywhere else you have to bring your own lunch.
Yeah. So guys, as we're driving, it just keeps on getting more remote. It's crazy.
Yeah.
And the roads are quite bad out this side. Yeah.
Pretty shocking.
Woke up on some big pothole already. So it's crazy. Yeah, but we're way out in the bush, guys. We're
Round
out
the
in
bush.
the bush.
Bush people.
Yeah, man. So I hope you guys are loving these adventure videos, you know? And if you are, let us know in the comment section. And make sure if you appreciate the video, give us a thumbs up. Share the video. Subscribe if you're new. And also watch the ads, guys. Because that's how we make a list of revenue, you know? So big up to the people that watch the ads.
Yeah, big up people.
Yeah, man.
Oh yeah.
Look at these windy roads. I love under these trees. It's just a nice view.
So breezy.
And cool. Yeah.
Cooler.
Yeah.
Alright guys, so this is where we're going. Nightcap Falls. Protester Falls, Nightcap. And there's a song. Isn't there a song? No, there's not a song.
What song? Bubble.
No, there's not a song. Jesus. Alright, whatever.
I don't even know what song you're talking about.
No, I'm thinking of that Bob Marley song. Let them wear it.
Oh, the
Fit. Let them wear it. Yeah, that one.
True, I'm a gun.
Jamaica.
I never call no phone. But them say cook, cook, cook. And them say yak, yak, yak. I don't know what I'm singing, guys. Oh my god. Literally, guys, would you guys live out here? Like, literally, this is so remote where we are right now, guys. It's no joke. Yeah, it's just 1 and 2 houses, and mainly people do farm, cow farm and all that.
I could live out here if I had animals, like heaps of animals and like that kind of stuff. Yeah.
I'm happy where we're at. This is a bit too remote for me.
Yeah.
I enjoy my own company, I love my own company, but at the same time this is a bit too remote. Yeah, this is far. Look from where the town is, or would you say Nimbin is the closest little town?
Yeah.
And that's far, man. That's actually real far.
Yeah.
So yeah.
So what people usually do here is they'll do a big shopping. They'll go down to town, big shopping, pack everything they need for the month or whatever.
Yeah.
And that's it. That's what it is.
Yeah.
You know? And a lot of people enjoy that kind of lifestyle, like living remote away from people and stuff.
And you see, when you grow up a certain way, this life becomes so easy to you.
Yeah.
You know, certain things, you know, like when someone trying to adjust to a different lifestyle, it's never that easy, you know. Just like people are starting to talk about my food in quarantine, you know. It's not like I'm bashing the food or I'm hyping up or anything, but what? It's just what I'm accustomed to, it's what I'm used to, you know, and I'm just being truthful, you know. It's not like I'm pretending, you know, and it's not like I won't adjust to eating some of those things in the future, but it's just what it is at the moment. It just did not, you know, straight up sit right with me, you know. So people need to understand that as well, you know. Yeah, but it's nice though, I'm not gonna lie. The view, the scenery, it's beautiful. Look at those mountains, man.
Gravel road now.
Yeah, and some rough road, you know.
There's a bee on me.
Where?
Just don't do anything. Don't do anything. Just let it go.
Oh my god, guys, there's a bee on Babe right now, literally. What the hell? Still on you? It's still on you?
No, hang on.
Where is it? Where is it?
It's down there.
Where is it? Oh, right there. Let me get something. Sorry, bee, but you got to go.
Gone.
just to note, we're the only people out here doing these kind of videos. Trust me. Going into these places right now, as a family doing this, yeah, we're the only YouTubers doing this.
Yeah, I would never do this on my own, guys. Never.
I swear.
We're almost there, I guess. People swim down here as well.
A bridge. Yeah.
All of that.
Yeah. There's people down there. So we're here now. Nightcap National Park. Alright. Island boy. We get out soon, alright?
Wow, Bobo.